Hello, how are you all doing today? My name is Michael Pink, and I am the founder and CEO of SmartPM Technologies. Prior to forming SmartPM, I spent 16 years in the commercial construction industry working at companies at Deloitte, KPMG. I'm educated in industrial engineering from Georgia Tech. I have an MBA from NYU. I'm a planning and scheduling professional and a certified cost engineer. While I worked at Deloitte and KPMG, I was what you called a hired gun. A hired gun is somebody who works with contractors and owners, helping them fight over money in a dispute situation. And they fight over a lot of money. Every year, the industry, commercial construction industry, fights over $800 billion in cost overruns. And just so you understand, a cost overrun is the difference between the amount of money a contractor says that they'll do the work for and what it actually costs. And to be honest with you, the owners are currently getting the short end of the stick on this deal. The reason I say that is the contractors have an advantage and put the owners at a disadvantage. The contractors have lived the job. They manage the schedule. They manage the budgets, and they own the data. When it comes to discussing overruns and causation, they have a story, and the owners don't really have anything. The reason they don't really have anything that they know of is because it's all embedded in this schedule right here. This is actually a small construction schedule. Owners are handed this at every meeting that they meet at, which could be weekly, it could be monthly, and it explains the entire history of the job embedded in that document, except for the owners can't really see it. This is a very difficult puzzle, something that the industry is spending $200 billion a year trying to manage, but it's not really working very effectively. What we've come up with is a solution for that. It's called the Pink Report. The Pink Report is a technology. It's generated from a technology that we created that crawls through the schedule instantaneously, and it pulls forth all the information that the owners need when the schedule is handed to them. It explains to them the problems. It explains to them the delays. It explains to them mismanagement. So where they're used to walking into a meeting with nothing and walking out with a story, they're now walking into the meeting with the truth, identifying problems, and walking out with solutions. This is a game changer for the industry. This puts the owner in the driver's seat in a situation that they should be. They're the investor. It's their money. And they need to stay on top of these projects every single month, every single week, in order to make sure that the decisions that are being made are good with their investment. Right now, we're focused on the market of $20 million to $100 million projects. The reason we're doing that is because the mega projects, the consulting companies like PwC and Deloitte, are all over those projects. And we're not looking for a fight. We're looking to solve a problem. The smaller projects, they're not at that much risk comparatively to the market that we're looking at. These people are at the most risk with the most pain. So that's the market we're going after first. Our current status. We have the algorithm coded. That was a hard thing to do, but we got it done. We have paying customers. When we walk into the office, or a customer's office, to show them what we have, they want it instantly. They know it. They get it. They need it. And they're willing to pay for it. Right now, since we have the algorithm coded, we are working with these paying customers and converting the algorithm into that report. What we need to do next, and what keeps us up at night, is to take the algorithm and automate the report so that we can handle the 300-plus projects that our current pipeline needs us to handle. Right now, we can only handle 10. So we're looking for financial partners. If you're interested in talking with us, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.